Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple jumping game in Scratch. We're gonna add our own character. So I'm gonna add our character, our TechTrain character, which is Boo. Click here, I'll upload my character, Boo. Huge. I'm gonna change this one to probably 20 to make him tiny. I'll add a map. This would be space map, just to go along with TechTrain's vibe. Let's put it that way. And then we'll add one more thing, which is going to be an object we're going to be jumping over. So in this case, I'm looking for Earth, planet Earth. So we'll just use Earth. We'll make it small as well, otherwise we won't be able to jump over it. I'll make it 22. It's tiny, but it works for this game. Okay, the very first step we'll do is we're going to make our character jump. We have a couple of blocks here. We have another block that we need, which is going to be down here so that you guys can see. There we go. Okay. So this is our first code for jumping. So here, the very first one block that starts everything is this one. When space key pressed. And the way this works is basically whenever we click on the space key here on our keyboard, the big key space, the character is going to go up by 10 steps. So change Y by 10. Change Y means up and down. Y is an up and down direction. So if it's plus 10, it's going up. If it's minus 10, it's going down. So in our case, we're going up first, and then we are going down out of that after that. And the reason we need these two repeat blocks is because that we wanted to keep on always working in the game. If we don't have a repeat block or a forever block, then it's simply not gonna go forever. It's only gonna run once in the game. Okay, simple as that. Let's go to our Earth now. We're gonna make it move like this, as you guys seen in the tutorial. Probably it's gonna go from here, start here, and around here, and go back. It's quite simple to make. I'll go here, click here. I'll set it up just as before, forever. We want it to be going forever. And what we want to do, in the beginning, you want to put your object where you want it to start. So for me, it's here. I'm going to take this block, put it here. This block basically means that it tells the object to go to a certain position, which is this one. And this position right here is the current position of our planet Earth. So if I change it here, you'll notice it's changed. Okay. So what this block does, it just basically says that whenever I click on the green flag, you will go back to this position. I'll put it here, say around here, probably. Yeah, and I want it to stop here and go back. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna take this block right here. 1 second, make it 3 seconds. And it's gonna glide to this position. And then right after that, it's gonna go back. Let's test it out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now the only two things we need to add is we wanted to stop the game when we touch the character, because right now it's just gonna pass it by without doing anything, basically. Okay, so the way we'll do this is we'll go to our events again. We'll click on the green flag. We're set up. We'll find a block in the controls, which is gonna be this one and this one. Wait until and stop all. Right? So we will go to another block called sensing. Here we'll put this one and we'll change this one to Boo. So you guys can see Boo right here. Okay. So what this basically means is whenever we click on the green flag, we are waiting until our planet touches Boo. And then when it does, it stops everything in the game. It says stop all. Let's test it out. Well, there we go. Okay, let's try it. Stops. Okay, we're almost through this. Last one. It's gonna be the score. and I'm going to show you guys how this works. So for score, we need to add a variable. And this is like a box. You can think of a variable as a box that stores values. So in this case, it's going to be a number. So whenever we add the score, we take out the old number and we put the new number in. That can be another way to think about this. Okay, we'll go here again, this block as usual. And then what we want to do here is we want to set it to 0 first of all in the beginning, and then we want to change it by 1. So we want to add 1 to our score whenever we jump over the planet. Let's try this. All right, I'm gonna jump over it. Wasn't able to. Let's try this again. Jump over it. 1, 2, and 3. There you go, guys. Simple as that. All right, that's about it. You can always make it more complicated, but I think that should be enough for this tutorial. Thank you for joining this TechTrain tutorial, guys, and hopefully see you soon in the future for our new tutorials.